First of all, this day is very exciting for all of us at Porsche. After 4 years of engineering time, being able to present the first full electric car with a Taycan. And really, we are going to a new era for Porsche. But despite of this, we will continue for the next 10-15 years with our product strategy to maintain very emotional petrol engines, hybrid engines, and now going to the third pillar with the full electric cars. Our target was once to publish a full electric car. It has to be as good like a 911. And we didn't compare with other competitors in the market. Our benchmark was ourselves. And at the end, I had the opportunity to test the car several times on the racetrack, on normal roads. And I can confirm this car drives like a 911. Yeah, we have all the evolution steps in the last 2 years testing the car. And what you can feel, you sit like in a 911. The point of gravity, it's much deeper than in the 911. We have advantages of the electric steering speed, which allows us to reach this performance like in our combustion cars. And so we are very proud being able to present a real Porsche. For me personal, it's so emotional being able to open the door for Porsche to electromobility. And on the other side is a logical consequence in our product strategy, thinking about what can we do for our responsibility for sustainability. And sustainability is a very important pillar of our product strategy, and therefore the Taycan plays a very big role to open the doors. Very important will be when Porsche does electromobility, it has to own all the Porsche DNA, design, quality and driving dynamics. And we will be able to design and engineer cars that fulfill at the end the Porsche DNA. I think we will be on the right track. Of course, our product strategy for the next 10-15 years for the transformation period of the automotive industry will be flexible, and our traditional customers will get a petrol-driven engine in a 911 as long as possible, from my point of view. And I think our flexible strategy will help to offer for all our clients its very personal Porsche. Or is it a petrol engine, a hybrid engine, or a full electric one? Our vision is to have a zero impact company. The Taycan will be the first step, but we are thinking sustainability on a global way, from engineering beginning over manufacturing to recycling. When we will produce the Taycan, we will have the launch of our plant next week. We will produce the Taycan CO2 neutral, and that's the first step. We have a big program behind to reach at the end our vision. And therefore, we see the product of Taycan and the production side of Taycan as a first step, but with a lot of potential for the future to develop even more.